In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Facebook page name. If you've rebranded, adjusted your focus, or simply want a cleaner, more accurate title. Changing your page name is straightforward when you know where to look. Start by logging in and opening your Facebook page. Make sure you're actually viewing the page, not your personal profile. If you manage multiple pages, select the correct one before moving on. Next, look to the left side of your page and click Settings. Depending on your layout, you might need to expand the menu to see it. Once you're in Settings, click Audience and Visibility. This is where Facebook groups options that affect what people see about your page. Under Audience and Visibility, select Page Setup. This section holds the core details of your page's identity and presentation. In Page Setup, find the field labeled Name. Click Edit beside it. Before you type anything, take a moment to think through the name you want. Choose a name that matches your brand or organization exactly as you want it to appear publicly. Avoid unnecessary punctuation, excessive capitalization, or words that could be misleading. Keeping your name consistent with your website and other social platforms can help your audience find you more easily. Now, type your new page name carefully and double-check spelling and spacing. When you're happy with it, click Review Change to submit your request. Facebook will show you a preview so you can confirm you've entered it correctly. If everything looks right, confirm the change. After you submit, Facebook will review your request. This process can take anywhere from a few hours to a few days. While it's pending, your current name may still appear publicly. Once approved, your followers may see a notification about the update, which helps them recognize that it's still your page with a refreshed name. If your request isn't approved, it usually means the name didn't meet Facebook's guidelines or was too different from your existing identity. In that case, tweak the name to be closer to your current one or align more clearly with the page's purpose and try again. That's it. Log in, head to Settings, open Audience and Visibility, go to Page Setup, edit the name, review, and confirm. With a clear, accurate page name, you'll make it easier for people to recognize and trust your brand. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your update.